Alright, welcome back guys. These are E-Perms. There are 3 of them, and they're all pretty easy to recognize. They're not too similar to each other. Alright, so yeah, let's get started. All of them have one 2x2 block. This is a 2x2 block. And the edges are solved. So basically we're only permuting 4 corners. Now for E1, we have 2 1x3 pseudo blocks. So this is a 1x3 pseudo block. Notice how the edge is the same color as these outer corner pieces here. And if we look on the other side here, this is the same thing we see just for orange. Here's orange, orange, and orange. And for that alg, we will hold it just like this and perform this algorithm. Very fast and pretty consistent. So for E2, this time we have only one 1x3 pseudo block, and this pseudo block is directly opposite from this 2x2 block. So it's going to be across over here. So there's no block here at all, but then here we have a 1x3. Now recently a new alg, well, newish alg has come out for this case, and it made it very good because before we'd hold it just like this and rotate up and perform E-Perm, which was very easy to lock up on Megaminx. But now we have a more spammy alg, and it's so nice. And here's the alg. So it's kind of high mood count, but you know, once you practice this and drill it, it's very fast. You can sub 2 second this fairly easy. So yeah, that's the alg. Definitely practice that because it's easy to mess up. And for the last case, E3, this is probably the easiest one to recognize just because of the headlights. But yeah, 2x2 block again, and we will have 2 pairs of headlights here going across from each other. So yeah, basically if you have a 2x2 and then there's headlights, you instantly know this is E3. And the alg for this is this. So yeah, you basically have like this setup move, and then from here you do 2 sexy moves, and then the undoing the setup move. So yeah, very fast. A quick trick to tell if you have E1 instantly is if you're holding it from this angle and you see like a pseudo block here, you know you have E1 because this is the only one like that. If this doesn't match and there's no headlights from this angle, you pretty much instantly know that you have E2. And again, if you do have headlights, it's E3. Alright, that concludes E-Perms, and I'll see you in the next one.